Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Windows display error. So I'm going to share two different methods and solutions. So you just need to watch the whole video and try to see what method or solution will best work for you. And this is both for your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's go quick into the process. First is you need to try to restart your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. Before you can go on with the advanced method, you need to try with a simple one, just to restart, because once you restart your Windows, that will refresh all the system processes, then the system programs on your Windows. So try on that. For the next method is we need to make sure that the graphics card driver of our Windows is updated. So go ahead in the Windows search bar and type device manager. That will appear under the best match device manager. So what you can do, you just need to simply click on that under the best match. Now here in the device manager window, you need to look for the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now in my case, I have the Intel UHD graphics. So in your case, you might be having the AMD or the NVIDIA graphics card driver. Well, the process is just the same. So simply make a right click and then you have to select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this windows and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart your Windows. And for the next method is we can also run the Windows security scan to check for any threats and viruses on our Windows. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type security. You'll find Windows Security under the best match. Go ahead and click on that. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on virus and threat protection. Then you have to select scan options and you have there this quick scan. So you can go with quick scan if you are in a hurry, but this will just only check for the folders in your system where threats are commonly found. In short, this will just check for some areas on your Windows. So I suggest that you need to go with full scan, because this will check for the entire system or for your entire Windows. Click on scan now. Anyway, you can just simply minimize this window and do your other task on your Windows, and then just simply go back to the Windows security window until the process has been successful or the scan has been successful. Then you just need to simply close out of here and just restart your Windows afterwards. And for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar, type system configuration. It's system configuration. That will appear under the best match, system configuration. Now here you have to click on the services tab and check this box. Hide all Microsoft services. Do not forget to check this box. Click on disable all. Then before you can click on apply, click on the start app. Click on open task manager. Then here you have to change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup programs in your enabled on your Windows. Now what you can do is you need to disable the unnecessary startup programs. Just simply make a right click and then you have to select disable. So you have to do that for all the unnecessary startup programs on your Windows. Then close this window. Click on apply, click on OK, and you just have to simply click on this restart button. Then we can also run the system file checker scan or the SFC scan for the next method. Go ahead in the Windows search bar, type CMD. On the right pane, you have to click on run as administrator. Now here in the block window for command prompt, you need to type this command, SFC space / scan now. It's SFC space / scan now, hit enter. So this is the system file checker scan, which is a very helpful fix. This will scan, repair, and fix any system corrupted files. So while the process is going on, do not close the window and you just have to wait for this to be 100% completed. You can just minimize it if you're going to do other tasks on your Windows, and then just go back to it once this is done. Once completed, close out of here and just restart your Windows afterwards. Now for the next method, we can also run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Then here you need to type mdsched.exe. It's mdsched.exe. Click on OK. and the Windows Memory Diagnostic window will appear. So you just have to click on this option, Restart Now, and check for problems. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.